the other lane over here. Right on.
Just go back to the right lane?
Yeah, sure. The default driving lane is the right lane so that you're not impeding faster traffic.
Yeah.
But also, if an ambulance shows up behind you, all you have to do is pull over to the right. You won't be trapped in the left lane. Once we get a little further down the road, then we're going to make a left lane change.
Okay.
So, like about...
Near the building, or?
Yeah, about here's good to make a left lane change. And then we're going to turn left at the lights. Correct choice of lights. Signal before you get into it, though. So just to be clear, you can ignore everything else except for that red light on the left side of the pole.
Yeah.
These larger intersections are well controlled. There's a nice pattern to them.
Mm-hmm.
You won't see very many accidents at the larger ones like this because it's so...
Yeah. Hopefully they give me the arrow instead of the...
You will get that, yeah, and that white sign tells you that left turn signal. You're going to get the arrow. Yeah. You can also see the outline of it too, the shadow, ghosty arrow there. And when you get that arrow, you're going to be protected. So everybody else has a red light, including the pedestrians. They won't start crossing. They shouldn't. If they did, then we'd have to take evasive action.
Yeah.
And then into the right lane. Anticipating the light turning yellow. If it turns yellow now, we keep on going. When you reach that point where you can't stop safely behind the line anymore, then you just keep going caution, proceed with caution.
Yeah.
Okay. That's you in the future.
Yeah?
See there? That's us in the future.
Oh, yeah.
The guy in front of us. And then at the lights up here, we're going to make a right turn.
Okay. Certain district.
That's good. And light is green. You have the right of way. There's no pedestrians in the crosswalk. If there was, then we'd have to stop and wait for them. And then 40.
40, so the whole area.
In the whole area, yeah.